Hello guys, today I'll be teaching us how to create our AI videos in just simple steps using just your smartphone. The first thing that you need to do is to download these apps now that I'll be showing you. The first one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you can see it on my screen. If you look at my screen, ChatGPT is the sixth app. The sixth app on my screen, on my phone. That is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the app that we'll be using to generate your stories, your pictures. ChatGPT will also help you to create or help you to transform your story into a movie script so that it will be easy for you to create. So now, after downloading your ChatGPT, you go and log in. You open it. When you open it, you will see an option to log in. You log in with your email account. After logging in, why do you need to log in? Because even if you do not log in, you can still make use of it. But you need to log in so that anything that you do on this app now will be able to be saved. You'll be able to save it so that anytime you come to the app again, you will see it there. But if you don't log in, it will not be saved. Once you leave the app, everything will wipe out. So you need to log in to be able to keep the records of everything that you do in case of necessity. All right, now that we have our ChatGPT and we are logged in, the next thing to do is, if you have a story or probably you have a topic in your mind that you want to make turn into a story or turn into a video, you come to your ChatGPT. This place that is written ask ChatGPT. You write down your story, or probably let's say that we don't have a story but we have a title, we have a topic, or just tell ChatGPT what you have in your mind. It will create the story for you immediately. Okay, let's practice now. Let me say, give me a story of love. Exactly, our story is here. Now that our story is here, we have gotten our story. The next thing to do is to tell ChatGPT, you write, convert this story into a movie script. Wait. Done. As you can see now, it's very simple. Yeah, it's actually very simple. It's just for you to listen, for you to just pay very close attention, and you find out that it's actually very simple. And in this video, I'm going to show us also some apps that you can use to create the videos for free. Free apps you can use to create your video, your AI video. All right, our movie script is ready. So the next thing to do is to tell ChatGPT to divide this story now. Right. Turn this story into just 5 cents. All right, here we are. 5 cents. Okay. Now that our story is ready, the next thing to do is to tell ChatGPT, you write, give me prompts to create the characters and not the scenes. Mind you, characters is different from scenes. You send. Let's wait for it. Here it is. The prompt is here. This prompt now will enable you to create the pictures of the people you will use to create your video. But mind you, it's not a must that you must create pictures. If you have pictures in your phone that you want to use to create the video, it's also allowed. But if you don't have pictures to use for the video, then ChatGPT can always help you to create the pictures. So now that he has given us our prompt, the next thing to do is to highlight this. You highlight the first prompt, you copy, then you paste it back for ChatGPT and send. Oh, it says I am out of creation for now. But if not this now, this issue now, it will create Amara for me immediately without wasting time. So now that I am out of it said I am out of image creation for now, it will still renew. It will renew around after 4. Okay. But that will not stop us from continuing our video. We have other apps that you can use to create your video, your picture, sorry. The second app is Gemini. Yeah, this app has the icon is star. When you open it, you log in as well. Then that prompt that we already copied, we'll come here and paste it. Paste and send. All right, here we are. This is our Amara. But if you want it in a cartoon form, you just tell it will create it for you. Now that we have this one, so this is how you continue to create the pictures. You go and copy the second prompt. Let me show us. Okay, like now, look at what happened now, because I left ChatGPT for a while, then came back, and everything I did is cleared out. If I want to go back to that, the last post, the last activity I did here, you go to this place, this sign, click on it, and then you find it. It's here. And this can only happen when I'm signed in to ChatGPT, when I'm logged in. So the second prompt, we'll come here, we'll copy it. You copy this one, you go back to ChatGemini. Sorry, go back to Gemini, paste it, it will create the picture for you. But if you still have enough image, this opportunity to create images here, just paste it here, it will create it for you. All right, that is that for that. Then the app, number one free app we're going to use to create this our video